Today I'm painting a 3D printed load lifter droid from Star Wars. It actually came out with an error, so yeah, it should have a Tic Tac body, but it kind of doesn't. I first went and painted all the limbs black. I'm just using cheap brushes, ratty old brushes as you can tell, and some cheap paint, nothing crazy fancy. Next I paint some parts a light gray. I'm going to paint this center part white. Once again, in the actual design, he doesn't have this middle part. That's just because the print had an error, but I thought it looked cool anyway. I'm painting this part a orange or copper. I'm imagining it's kind of his engine or motor. And you see I've watered down my paints also so I can preserve some of those finer details. The two tubes connecting to the top of his head are actually little electrical wires I had to put on there. The error print left me with just a big gap there. I decided to paint his shell this pleasant blue color. In traditional Star Wars fashion, I painted one random leg a different color. I'm going to use this metallic paint to make it look like the finish on the robot has been scraping off. So I'm just dry brushing areas, going a little heavy-handed on places that would see a lot of wear, like the elbows and the hands. I also paint on a couple deliberate lines, which look like big scrapes. They actually turned out really well. Then I dirtied it up with this thin wash, like a dark brown black. It actually looked pretty good. Finally got some watered down rusty color that I apply liberally. Look how brilliant the end of that brush is. Magnifique. So there you have it. There is the load lifter droid. Nice and rusty and Star Wars flavored. I was pretty happy with how it turned out actually. I ended up giving him a clear coat as well with just a spray clear coat, a matte finish. Thanks for watching.